Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here was an extremely unbelievable collection. 108 tail Lord Shiva's conch. This conch have 108 tail. It is unbelievable. Here, here is the tail of the conch. You can see the 108 tail. It will be very close to place if you count from here. Totally, you can see the 108 tail in this conch. It is for Lord Shiva, and this conch is for Lord Shiva. It is Lord Shiva's 108 miracle conch. Unbelievable collection. Only one piece in the universe. Very miracle formation, unbelievable formation. You can see 108 tail on this conch, and this is extremely powerful Lord Shiva's puja conch. Extremely powerful Lord Shiva's puja conch. Om Namah Shivaya.